Let's go to B. By using part A or otherwise, show that the Maclaurin series for f of x equals 1 minus ax to the power of negative 1/2 up to and including x squared terms is 1 plus 1 over 2ax plus 3 over 8a squared x squared. Since from A we already proved this is true, we will use the basic concept of a Maclaurin series to work this out. F of x equals 1 minus ax to the power of negative 1/2. So f prime of x, we already got a over 2 times 1 minus ax to the power of negative 3 over 2. F double prime of x equals, we will make n equals 2, a squared times 2 times 2 minus 1 is 3 factorial times 1 minus ax to the power of 5 over 2. Denominator 2 to the power of 3 times 1 factorial organize. 3 factorial is 6 a squared times 1 minus ax to the power of negative 5 over 2. 2 to the third power is 8. Now, we need to figure out f of 0 from f of x. Substitute 0 for x. 1. F prime of 0. Substitute 0 for x. A over 2. From here, we got f double prime of 0. Substitute 0 for x. 3a squared over 4. Then we will use this formula. F of x equals 1 minus ax to the power of negative 1/2 equals f of 0 is 1 plus x times a over 2 plus x squared over 2 factorial is 2 times 3a squared over 4. Organize 1 plus 1 over 2ax plus 3 over 8a squared x squared. Let's go to C. Hence, show that 1 minus 2x to the power of negative 1/2 times 1 minus 4x to the power of negative 1/2 equals this. We will use this conclusion from B. 1 minus 2x to the power of negative 1/2. We will make a equals 2 first. Equals 1 plus 1/2 times 2x plus 3 over 8 times 2 squared x squared, which is 1 plus x plus 3 over 2x squared. Let's work out 1 minus 4x to the power of negative 1/2 equals, let's make a equals 4. So we get 1 plus 1 over 2 times 4x plus 3 over 8 times 4 squared x squared equals 1 plus 2x plus 6x squared. So 1 minus 2x to the power of negative 1/2 times 1 minus 4x to the power of negative 1/2 equals 1 plus x plus 3 over 2x squared times 1 plus 2x plus 6x squared. We will do the FOIL. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2x is 2x. 1 times 6x squared is 6x squared. Then go to this x. X times 1 is x. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times 6x squared. Go to x to the third power. We only need x squared. So we skip this term. Go to next term. Plus 3 over 2x squared. Then x squared times x is x to the third power. We will skip. That's all. Then add ... Combine like terms. 1 plus 3x. 6x squared plus 2x squared is 8x squared. 8x squared plus 3 over 2x squared. Get same denominator. So we get 19x squared over 2. Let's go back, check this solution. 2 plus 6x plus 19x squared over 2. We need to get denominator 2. So we put the denominator 2, then times 2 on the numerator. Then simplify. Denominator is 2. Distributive property. 2 plus 6x plus 19x squared. Therefore, we got 1 minus 2x to the power of negative 1/2 times 1 minus 4x to the power of negative 1/2. It's approximate to 2 plus 6x plus 19x squared over 2. Let's go to D. Given that the series expansion for this is convergent for ax absolute value of ax less than 1, state the restriction which must be placed on x for the approximation 1 minus 2x to the power of negative 1/2 times 1 minus 4x to the power of negative 1/2. It's approximate to this to be valid. From this, we can get a restriction. Absolute value of 2x less than 1. From here, we can get a restriction. Absolute value of 4x less than 1. Let's solve this two and get intersection. Absolute value of x less than 1 over 2. So x greater than negative 1/2 less than 1/2. For this, absolute value of x less than 1 over 4. So we got x greater than negative 1 over 4 less than 1 over 4. The intersection between these. Let's draw the number line. From negative 1 over 4 to 1 over 4. From negative 1/2 to positive 1/2. The intersection will be this. So x greater than negative 1 over 4 less than 1 over 4 is the solution. By the way, let's go over the absolute value inequalities. Absolute value of x less than a for a greater than 0. Solution will be x greater than negative a less than a. Because absolute value means the distance from the origin. For absolute value of x greater than a, solution will be x less than negative a or x greater than a. Let's go to E. Use x equals 1 over 10 to determine an approximate value for square root of 3. Give your answer in the form c over d. C, d are positive integers. We will use this conclusion. 1 minus 2x to the negative 1/2 power times 1 minus 4x to the negative 1/2 power. Let's use the left hand side equals this. We will substitute the 1 over 10 for x equals 1 minus 2 times 1 over 10 is 1 over 5 to the power of negative 1/2 times 1 minus 4 times 1 over 10 is 2 over 5 to the power of negative 1/2. Organize. 4 over 5 to the power of negative 1/2 times 3 over 5 to the power of negative 1/2. We do know a over b to the power of negative n equals b over a to the power of n. So we get 5 over 4 to the power of 1/2 times 5 over 3 to the power of 1/2. Square root of 5 over square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 5 over square root of 3, which is 5 over 2 square root of 3. Right hand side equals 2 plus 6x plus 19x squared over 2. 1 over 10 equals 0.1. So we get 2 plus 6 times 0.1 is 0.6 plus 19 times 0.01 over 2. Organize 2 plus 0.6 plus 0.19 over 2, which is 2.79 over 2. Fraction 279 over 200. These two are equal to each other, which means 5 over 2 square root of 3 equals 279 over 200. Reduce. Then square root of 3 equals 279 as a denominator. 5 times 100 is 500. This is the solution.